Hi everyone, welcome to my first tutorial. Here I will be using the I Love This yarn from Hobby Lobby, but you can use any yarn of your choosing, whether it come from Michael's, Joann's, Etsy, but this is the yarn that I have chosen. I've also chosen this hook, a 4.5 mm hook from Hobby Lobby as well, but they also have hooks at Walmart, Joann's, any craft store that you can think of. Typically I prefer to take my yarn out of the side and then have it unwrapped from around, because sometimes when you unwrap the yarn from the inside it can tangle up. So to avoid that, I just do it from around. I take off the packaging and then I work it around just a little bit, just so that I can start my beginning process. Alright y'all, so this has been slowed down because we are creating the slip knot. You're going to take your string just like this. Matter of fact, you can even hold it just like this. It's this simple, okay? You're going to take your string and you're going to wrap it around your pointy finger. Just like this, okay? Nothing more, nothing less. Alright? And then from there, you're going to take that string and you're going to pull it back towards you and your thumb, okay? Pull it back towards you and your thumb and hold that piece of string with your thumb, okay? That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's not complicate this, okay? All right, then you're going to take the string that's still attached to the yarn and we're going to pull it around that same pointing finger, okay? You're going to do the exact same thing. Pull it back to you and towards the thumb and hold it with your thumb, okay? And it should look just like this, okay? All right, and then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take this back piece of string right here and we're going to pull that up over the front piece of string and over your nail. Now I have long nails, so this takes me a little bit longer than it would take you. All right, and then from there you just pull that finger up and you've made your slip knot. Now there are many different other ways that you can make a slip knot. Whatever way you choose, as long as it looks like this, then it's right. All right, and then you can just take your hook and then take that back piece of string and pull to your liking. Pull just enough so that it's not too tight and not too loose, so that you can begin to crochet. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to show you how to put the yarn through your hand so that you can maneuver, so that you can crochet. So you hold the other piece of yarn and your hook in one hand, and then the other piece of yarn that is connected to the actual yarn is going to go in that other hand. So you're going to take your pinky and you're going to wrap it around so it should be under. You take the yarn and you put it over the ring finger, under the middle finger, and over the index finger, and it should look just like this. I'm gonna do it for you one more time. So you take the string, straighten it out under your pinky, over the ring finger, under the middle finger, and then back over your index finger, and it should look just like this. All right, and now you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna take your thumb, and they need to hold on to that other piece of the yarn that is behind the slip knot. So not the yarn that you have wrapped around your finger, but the yarn that's, oh Lord have mercy, I don't know what I was doing. Excuse me y'all, I haven't crocheted in a minute. So it's gonna be that yarn that's hooked around the hook that's in that slip knot. And then this yarn that's wrapped around your fingers, that's what you use to actually crochet with. All right, so from here, I'm going to show you how to start crocheting your single chains. And you're going to take your hook and you're going to wrap it around. I'm going to show you one more time. That was fast. All right, so you're going to wrap it around, hook it, and pull through that loop. Here we go again. Wrap the hook around the yarn, pull and we're gonna go through that loop one more time. Wrap around, pull, and go through the loop. This is a better view for you. I don't know why I was doing it down there. So wrap around, take your hook, wrap around, and pull your string. All right, take the hook, wrap around, and pull the hook, wrap it around the string, and pull. And then this is a basic chain right there. All right, and then here I'm just making chains. So this is a little sped up, so once you get it, it should just, you know, actually go through. You'll get it. The more you do it, the more you'll get it. But this can definitely be the hardest part because you're just beginning. So make sure to be patient. You don't want your work to be too tight, and you don't want it to be too loose either, especially depending on what you're making. All right, and then I also wanted to show you on what to do if you were to ever make a mistake. And it's so simple. All you do is just take the hook out, and then you pull the string, and it takes away a chain. And this is an easy way for you to count. Like if you miscounted your chains, you could just count it this way and go all the way back if you need to, or go to whatever number, and then you just put your hook, put your hook back in, and then put it back between your fingers, and you start chaining all over again. So this was just the basics. I hope that you guys really liked this tutorial, and I would like for you guys to like, subscribe, and comment on anything else that you would want to see. And I have a multitude of more videos, so see you next time.